This is ASPure Maths notes. We're in Unit 9, Logarithms, and we're on then to 9.4, Solving Exponential Inequalities. So we have a question like this: 5.2 to the power of x is less than 4, and we need to solve that. So again, as with our equations, we're going to take logs of both sides. So that gives me log 5.2x is less than log 4. That means x log 5.2 is less than log 4, and we then do this divided by this, so x then is less than log 4 over log 5.2. You put that into your calculator and you get x is less than 0.84123 significant figures. Now we need to be very careful here dividing here by log 5.2, and I'm actually going to come back to this example after I've done example 2 and explain what the scenario is. We'll add a wee bit to that in a second. You'll see what happens just in this one here. Very similar looking question, just with different numbers. So again, we're taking logs of both sides. Log 0.47 to the power of x is greater than 8.1. That's not right. We're taking logs of both sides, so we need to write that as a log. Log 8.1. X log 0.47 is greater than log 8.1. Now we're going to divide both sides. The problem is, which you learned hopefully in year 10, whenever you divide by a negative number, this sign needs to flip around. Log 0.47, if you check in your calculator, gives you a negative number. So you need to be super careful here, because it's very hard to see and you can kind of miss it because no minus in there obviously. But log 0.47 is a negative number. That means whenever we divide by this, we need to flip this sign around. Put that into your calculator and you get minus 2.77, and that then is the 3 significant figures. Sure, the brackets will be outside there. So over here then I'm going to write the sign changes. Since we are dividing by a negative. So back up to here, I guess we were kind of blissfully unaware of this, but log 5.2 is a positive number. Again, check in your calculator. So I'm just going to write in here as well. Sign remains as log 5.2 is positive.